Well guys, we're here for the 19th annual Peninsula Grammar Brownlow Breakfast, my second year back as their charity auctioneer, which is a great honour and I'm very thankful for. Peter Mitchell's going to be hosting the morning. We've got a panel coming in, Luke Ball, Dyson Heppel, Daisy Thomas and Abby Holmes. So a mix of past and present players and some premiership stars as well. So we'll let the morning unfold, we'll see what happens and it should be a great day. Our first prize that we're going to be auctioning off for this morning is a round for 4 players with carts at the National Golf Course, which you can do on a Monday to a Thursday. 550 I have. First call, second, third. Sold for 550 on the right-hand side. Thank you, sir. Second auction up this morning is a Medallion Club at Etihad Stadium. There's 6 tickets. The value of these 6 tickets is $1,050. Would make a great night out for yourself. Someone start me off. 200. At 200 I'll have per ticket. That's 1,200, sir. That's a little bit over the top. Last chance. Sold for 600 in the middle of the front of the room there. Now third prize is good for all the students as well. We've actually got a Microsoft Surface 3. It's a tablet package. 600 I'll say for the Windows Surface laptop. And I have 300 anywhere. 50 I have. First call, 650 here. Anywhere else we'll go now. 650 first, second. Sold for 650 to the gentleman at the back. Thank you very much. So we're here with Peter Mitchell for the Peninsula School Brownlow Breakfast, which you've been hosting now for?
Every one of them, which is 19 years. 19
years. And you're a former alumni of the school as well?
Yeah, 1977.
Right, a little bit earlier than when I finished in 04, almost finished in 04. So
yeah, right.
How do you find the mornings?
Oh, it's great. I love it. I love football, so it's a pleasure and a privilege to be the host, and we've had some fantastic names here over the years. Like, you can think of the biggest names in football. They've been here at our breakfast, and it's just great to chat to them, and the crowd loves being here as well.
Fantastic. You probably do a lot of these functions. What made you come down to do the Peninsula School one today?
I just thought it was a good opportunity to get down. Obviously my good mate Luke Ball on the panel as well, and to come down and talk all things footy. It's not quite grand final week, but the buzz around the footy, especially tonight, Collingwood, Richmond, and footy in general. It's a great time to be in Melbourne and surrounds, and to get down and have a yarn to some good people down here in Frankston's terrific.
So we're here with Luke Ball. Mate, thank you for coming down to the Peninsula School Brownlow Breakfast fundraiser this morning. What did you think of this morning?
It was good fun. Yeah, great fun. It's a great time of year and everyone's in a good mood and looking forward to a big weekend of footy, and then obviously the Brownlow theme as well. So I always enjoy this time of year.
A great end of the season for you guys. The start was obviously a bit rough. If you can capitalise on that momentum, do you think you'll finish finals next year and go top 4?
Yeah, look, no doubt. I think our back half of the year was super. Really found our identity in the way we really want to play, what we want to stand for. So I think it's pretty crucial that we carry our momentum into this off-season, leading into pre-season, and obviously finishing the year really well against Port Adelaide over there. I think shows the character of the group. We had nothing to play for, so I think we're in really good stead leading into next year, and I reckon hopefully forge our way into finals.
So we're here with Abby Holmes from the inaugural premiership winning side of the AFLW.
Yes.
What's it like getting out at this time of the year now that you've got media commitments beyond your sporting career?
Yeah, how good is September?
It's amazing.
Blue skies, birds are singing, and obviously footy finals are upon us, and great to be in Melbourne. Very busy throughout September, but best place to be, that's for sure.
Yeah. So you come to these events often during September, or is this a new thing for you now, just this year?
No, I've done events any time of the year for the last couple of years, but as I said, there's something special about September and footy finals time. Everybody's up and about, and
everybody wants a piece of you this time of year.
Yeah. Well, prelims this weekend, so can't wait to see who's going to play off in the big dance next week.
And who's your tip for tonight, Richmond versus Collingwood?
I'll be working the boundary tonight at the G, and it's going to be incredibly loud, but I just can't go past Richmond at the G. 22 in a row is pretty impressive, and I expect them to continue. And for tomorrow, I really hope the Ds get up, but travelling over.
I think a lot of people are on the D train this year.
It's not easy going over to Perth, but they did it a couple of weeks ago, and I think they can do it again.
Well, good luck to them, and good luck for your season next year if you play.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks. Well, it was an absolutely fantastic morning. We had a full room. The crowd loved the panel that we had, and the school raised all the money that it was intending to. A fantastic event founded by the Lamartina family, so thank you to them. All the corporate sponsors, and from us at Rain and Horn, we're really grateful to be a part of it, so thank you for having us.